You are missing out on these easy marks. In this video, we are going over how to increase and decrease a number in a given ratio. Increase 100 in the ratio 2 to 3. Whenever you are increasing the number, you take the bigger number in the ratio and divide it by the smaller number. Big number on top, small number on the bottom. So we have 3 over 2 times 100 equals 150. Therefore, 100 increased in the ratio of 2 to 3 is 150. Next, decrease 100 in the ratio of 2 to 3. Whenever you decrease, you take the smaller number in the ratio and divide it by the bigger number. Smaller number on top and bigger number on the bottom. So we have 2 over 3 times 100, which equals 66.67. Therefore, 100 decreased in the ratio of 2 to 3 is 66.67. Remember these two rules when increasing and decreasing in a ratio. When you increase, you put the bigger number in the ratio on top. When you decrease, you put the smaller number in the ratio on top. The price of a cheeseburger is 25 Rand 90, and it is increased in the ratio of 5 to 4. What is the new price of the cheeseburger? We are increasing, so we take the bigger number and put it on top. 5 over 4 times 25.90 equals 32.38. Therefore, the new price of the cheeseburger will be 32 Rand 38 cents. The price of a steak was 120 Rand, and it is decreased by the ratio of 7 to 8. What is the new price of the steak? We are decreasing, so we put the smaller number on top, and we get 7 over 8 times 120, which equals 105. Therefore, the new price of the steak is 105 Rand. Remember, read your question carefully, increase where you need to, and decrease where you need to. I am your math sensei, and I'll see you in the next video.